In this video, we will show you how to flip an image in Canva. To flip an image in Canva, it's very easy. First, you can create a designs. For example, you can create a logo or presentations. After that, we will try to get the image here by using uploads, and we already have the upload image. If you want, you can upload your files here. Okay. Then we will add this image. To flip the image in Canva, it's very easy. You can see there is flip menu. After you click flip, select flip horizontal or vertical. Okay, this is horizontal flip. You can see the hand position. Okay, you can see. And if flip vertical, it's to be like this. You can also flip vertical after that, flip the horizontal like this. Okay, and that's all. How to flip an image in Canva. If you have any question, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.